What's up, guys? Good morning. So today is immunization day for King Brian. So I want to go and administer immunization to King Brian. His 9 months immunization. So I just remembered, and we've been 1 week late. I know. We've been 1 week late. Oh, we're supposed to go immediately. King Brian done 9 months, but today is what? Today is 20 what, baby? 26.
29.
29. Oh boy. Today is 29, and we're supposed to go when King Brian 29, 20. So it's been 1 week. We're 1 week late to the immunization, but we just have to go, okay? Because we've gone before, and they told us that we've gone before, and they told us that it was for infants. The day was for infants. So so that's why we're going again for bigger babies, like this man, like this guy. So yeah, let's go there. Hey guys, what's up? How you guys doing? So the other time I bought some hair accessories because I cannot buy expensive hair and allowing the hair to look cheap. All right, so today my hair arrived. I ordered 2 new hair. Alright, so I want to unbox it. Let's see. This thing is looking so light. the money why I used to buy this hair, I'm like, what? It's so light. I'm like, why is it so light? Okay. So, if you like any of this hair, or any of the hair that you'll be seeing me wear, contact me. Don't contact them. Contact me on my Instagram here. I'm going to, because I'm their distributor in Abuja here. Well, I'm their distributor, not just in Abuja, worldwide. Contact me, and then I'm going to send you the hair, and I'm going to sell it to you in a very affordable price. So contact me on Instagram. So this is the first hair that I got. And yeah. So that color, I love that color. The thing is that I do not actually like black hair that much. Oh yeah, Benny, share. Where's your own biscuit?
My own is not sweet.
This one is not sweet now. Oh my. So I like brown color. I do not actually like black hair. That is why the other time I bought hair and they were all black, I had to be dyeing them, and unfortunately I spoiled the hair. So for that I told her, see, I do not like black hair and I love this particular color. So this particular one is a full frontal, short hair. Okay. So let's try that one. So you know, when they pack this hair, that is why I needed to buy some hair materials so that I can be able to actually fix anything I want to fix with the hair. So I'm going to work on it, Sha. I'm going to be working on it so that you see the lace is not my color, it's lighter than my color. So I'm going to make sure it is my color, right? I'm going to do a little bit of touching here and there. Okay, it's good, but it's not very tight, so I have to tighten it a little more. Okay, so that's the first one. I'm going to work on it and it's going to be looking good. So I bought a Bond straight hair length 20. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. You guys, I had to close eye and buy this particular hair. me see how it is standing up. I think I'm not actually satisfied with what they gave me. I'm not satisfied with what I'm giving, because I don't think this is the length that I ordered. The length that I ordered was longer than this. I'm not happy because this is not the length that I ordered, and they shouldn't have cut it. Like, cut it. I didn't like the whole cutting thing. I would have liked it, you know, let it. I'm not happy with the hair at all. I'm happy with the texture of the hair. The texture of the hair is good. It's so beautiful, but I'm not happy about the length. Let me record it and send it to her. The texture of the hair is fine, but it's not different from. I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy.